Hey guys, welcome to Exquisite Smoke. Today, we'll be going through the unboxing and assembly of our Noble Shisha, a collaboration between Exquisite Smoke and Flare Shisha. It's available in 4 variations online, but we'll be looking at the black and gold color today. You can catch us on all social media platforms at Exquisite Smoke. So it comes into 2 separate parts. You've got one that comes as the glass bars, and the other is the stem, the hose, and all the relevant accessories to go with it. So we're going to start off with the vase. As we open it, you'll see that it's protected with a nice polystyrene foam and bubble wrap inside. As I just mentioned, this is the black and gold version. So this is the nice gold mirrored vase. Second part is the box, hoses, and all the relevant stem parts. On the top, you'll find as the first layer, which will have the main stem sleeve and the handle, which we'll go into a bit further. And on the second layer, you'll have all the other accessories. So we're just going to break them down, take them all out, have them on the table laid out so you guys can see exactly what it is. There is one part that often gets missed, just at the bottom, the down stem. So be sure to make sure you dig that out. We start off with the down stem and the purge chamber. Just get that, screw it into the bottom. Just make sure the threads are nicely aligned so you get a good fit. And you get the main stem with the wooden sleeve, thread it into it with a thick part sitting at the bottom, and then you're going to just screw that in to the other side of the purge chamber. Again, making sure the threads are nicely aligned so we get a good fit. And just twist them both anti-clockwise in opposite direction, sorry. To get a good start. And then your smoking handle. This is your mouth tip. We'll just screw that in the top. And then the end of that, we'll go into the silicone hose. They are a bit tough in the beginning, but you can do it with a little bit of perseverance. And then the hose adapter, which the rigid side will just connect into the other side of the hose. Then simply your charcoal tray, just to go at the top of your stem. And the last little piece that's left, just screw it in. The rubber grommet, and that will just get plugged straight into your vase. Be sure to firmly push it down so you get a good snug fit. And it doesn't matter what kind of mechanism this has, whether it's a click or a grommet-based system, always remember, for safety reasons, hold your shisha from here, not here, otherwise it will pull away and break. And then finally, that's it guys, just plug it in and you are ready. Some small tips and tricks. Remember to wash your hoses with lukewarm water, same with the vases, regularly. And hang them to dry. So hang the hose to dry so there's no droplets of water inside. And also remember that also applies to the purge chamber. Blow out any water particles that may be inside over here, just to make sure all of this is nice and dry when you're smoking. It will help with your whole overall smoking session. Thanks guys. Remember to comment, like, subscribe. Till next time.